colleague did not interrupt me. Because he has clearly not added any value to the debate.
He has assisted you.
Because if you look at the composition of the National Security Council, it also has civilians in it, including the Cabinet Secretary for Foreign Affairs. So are you saying Foreign Affairs staff are members of the Defense Forces? Are you saying we can deploy Foreign Affairs staffers, Ministry of Foreign Affairs staffers to Haiti to maintain security? It doesn't add. It doesn't follow. It doesn't matter who is a member of the National Security Council. What is important is what constitutes. What constitutes
a point of order. I'll still give you time. Don't worry. You have sufficient time, and we shall add you a minute or so for the interruption. Honorable Russo.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I stand under Standing Order number 91. I think from the floor of this House, the leader of minority should not mislead the nation and this House. For him to stand there and purport that the President is not the commander of the National Police Service, then the word commander-in-chief simply means that all those who are armed, whether the Kenya Defense Forces, the National Police Service, the Prison Service, actually come under the President of the Republic of Kenya. That is what he has been given, or she, by the Constitution. Honorable Speaker, it is okay for the leader of minority to make a statement, but let him not be allowed to mislead the House and the nation. Thank you.
Proceed. Now you have been properly guided.
Anyway, you know, in this world, wonders will never cease. You know, the Constitution is so clear. I don't want to belabor the point, really, because I think even my colleagues on the other side are clearly agreeing with me, even though they may not say so loudly. The Constitution is so clear. But that aside, having addressed myself to the unconstitutionality of this move, I want now go to the merit. Even assuming that Kenya, that this House could actually approve the National Police Service to go to Haiti. If you go to the National Police Service Act, the National Police Service Act, Section 108, Section 108 of the National Police Service Act, where in certain special circumstances, let me just go to the specific section. Section 108.1. Yes. 108.1 of the National Police Service Act. And it provides as follows. Madam Speaker, the President may, on the application of the government of a reciprocating country, the government of a reciprocating country, okay, order such number of police officers as the President may think fit to proceed to that country for service therein for the purpose of assisting the police service of that country in a temporary emergency. Madam Speaker, what is the definition of a reciprocating country? Before we even go to the definition of a reciprocating country, the country in question must be having a functioning government. My submission is that the Republic of Haiti, as we speak currently, has got no functioning government. And therefore, the question of reciprocating or otherwise can't arise.